You don't even have to do all this. If you're wearing a mask all day, girl, put it on some Vaseline or some regular clip lip gloss and you're done.
Save your tears, honey. You're a motherfucking diva.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yemi. Yemi Ashianna if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be getting into this really easy, really simple, everyday mask approved makeup routine without foundation. I have absolutely, let me turn the slide down. I have absolutely zero foundation on. There you go, you can see it. Zero foundation, full coverage, lasts all day, does not rub off on your mask. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to do my regular makeup routine, but I am just going to be skipping the foundation. So first off, we are going to go ahead and get into our brows. I've done my brows trillions of times on here, so you know that should be really easy. I might have to pull my hair back. I'm trying to give like a little messy look because I haven't done my hair yet, but I might have to pull it back. But anyways, yes. Since I'm not gonna have foundation on, I'm not gonna do my brows super dark due to the fact that my face won't be full coverage. So I'm just gonna try to do as light as I possibly can. I'm looking over here into my mirror, so I'm so sorry if that's distracting, but I have no choice. Now, if you want like a real natural look, you can go ahead and just leave them like this, but I'm just kind of giving a look. I'm gonna go ahead and carve them out still, just because. That's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And I think I'm only gonna curve the bottom. Normally I curve the top and the bottom, but I think I'm just gonna do the bottom. I'm gonna do the bottom to see what it looks like. And these are the brows. I should time myself to see how long it takes me since this is going to be my work makeup routine. But now I'm going to be using the Baby Skin Primer. Baby Skin Primer. I dropped the top. Sis, we might gotta pin it back. I'm gonna put this all over my face. Okay, so now we're all good and primed, and we're about to go ahead. This look is pretty much just a bunch of concealers, so we're about to go ahead and jump straight into it. I got my wet beauty blender right here, beauty sponge, and then I typically don't do this, but we're trying something new, so I'm gonna go ahead and color correct. And I'm using the same Pro Conceal, and this is in the color Orange Corrector. And I'm just gonna go over here. This is where I have majority of my dark spots at. I'm just gonna correct right in these areas. I should have primed it with my other sponge. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and with a concealer that is as close to my skin tone as possible, and I'm using all Pro Conceal concealer, so if I forget to mention a brand, that's what it is, Pro Conceal. But I'm going to use the color Chestnut, and I'm gonna put this pretty much all over my face. There we go. I'm gonna pretty much put this all over my face. And this is going to act as my foundation. I'm gonna focus this the same spots where I put the corrector at. And under my eyes. And right here. I'm gonna take the butt of the blender this time. This is so much. Just blend it out. You could try using a brush to do this part too. That might help blend if you don't like the way the beauty blender feels. I'm gonna try the brush. Okay, this is my foundation brush. I'm gonna try this. Oh yeah, I like this better. Now we're getting into the fun part. Now we're just gonna do our regular highlight and conceal routine. And I'm gonna go ahead and use fawn again. I usually layer up fawn and toffee, but since I'm going more of a warm golden feel, so I'm just gonna use fawn. I just put that so crooked on my nose. And I have this really bad mustache line, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover my whole little mustache area. Boom. And this is it. Now I like to keep one of my spray bottles. So this is it says matte finishing, but I promise you it's not. It's just water. Since I am using all concealers, it will kind of dry up a little bit, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spray some water on my face to bring some moisture back into it. And then I also keep it so that I have easy access to spray my beauty blender as well. I always blend everything first and leave my under eyes for last because I let it get as thick as it possibly can. So our highlight is done. Now we're going to go ahead and jump into our contour. And I'm using the same Pro Conceal, but this is in the color Mahogany for my contour. Yeah, my nose contour be a mess, so completely disregard that. I'm just gonna use my beauty blender. My nose, I'm going to use the same brush that I used to blend out my eyebrow. all blended out. Now it is time to powder. And then I'm using CoverGirl Clean Professional powder in the color 115 translucent medium. We're gonna go ahead and set everything. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and set my contour. And I'm just using a Crown contour palette. I got this from school, so child, I don't know where or if they sell this. I don't know. And then for this, I'm going to use my angled blush brush. I look a mess. I don't know what brush this is because there's no name, but it's just a fluffy brush. Dusting away. I don't think I'm gonna put on any. I'm gonna put on a little bit of eyeshadow, but just like a brown eyeshadow, nothing major. This is typically what I do when I go to work, so I don't wear color. I just like to have a nice, clean face that is matte approved. With no eyeshadow. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and then I'm gonna use my dewy finishing spray. Since I'm using a bunch of concealers and powders, as you can see, my face is getting a little dry and a little sucked up, so I like to use my dewy spray when I'm doing this routine. And now that we're done with the face, I'm simply going to go in with some mascara. If you have individual lashes, this is a perfect look because you'll be done here. Or if your lashes are long enough to just use mascara, go ahead and do that. But I am going to put on some strip lashes due to the fact that I have neither. I have no extensions and I don't have real lashes. So lashes are on. They look way thicker than what they really are. So excuse that. I don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and put my mascara on my bottom lashes. The bottom lashes that I don't have. Oh. Now for my lips, we are going to be keeping it simple. So I'm going to take a brown lip liner. I need to get another one because look at this, like, girl, it's gone. And we're keeping it simple. And then I like to go into my inner lip with this this nude color that honestly it's not even branded. I'm gonna get my makeup game up in a little bit, okay? I look like a clown. These lashes are giving me clown vibes. And then we're topping it off with some clear lip gloss. And girl, you're done. You are done. You don't even have to do all this. If you wear a mask all day, girl, put it on some Vaseline or some regular lip gloss, and you're done. You don't even gotta worry about all this. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Honey, I forgot to do some highlighter. I was supposed to do that while my face was wet. I'm gonna spray. Oops, that didn't even, that was no way. I forgot to spray my highlighter. For my highlighter, I'm taking this kind of fluffy-ish brush. I don't know what you would call this. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna... There we go. There we go. I knew I got done too quick. Not that this really made a big difference, but I was missing something here. And it's just gonna add you a real nice and subtle glow for the workplace. Not too much, not overwhelming. It is nice and subtle. All right, guys, so this is the full look. This is my simple, everyday, work approved, mask approved, no foundation, super easy makeup routine. I use all drugstore products, so nothing super expensive, everything affordable. And yeah, I know I said this is for work, so my lashes might be a little much for work. If you choose to, then you can get some more natural strip lashes that will also make it look real good. I suggest getting eyelash extensions, that way you don't even have to worry about your lashes. That will cut down your time even more. Or you can just do mascara. I don't have lash extensions on and I have very little lashes, so mascara won't make a big difference to me. So I just went ahead and put on the lashes that I had ready and right next to me. But yes, this is going to be my new makeup routine. Full-time, mask ready, and bomb. I'm definitely giving some skin. So if you like the way this looks, then make sure you stay tuned, watch more videos, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.